Are you 62 years or older looking to downsize? Or how about just looking for a more delightful, larger home that you thought you couldn't afford? What if I could show you how to do this with a mortgage that has flexible options for you in your retirement? Well, that's what we're going to talk about, and we're going to start right now. This is Rick Hammel, your dog walking realtor, and I provide weekly content having to do with all things real estate related and people of interest in the community. So today I'm substituting my pal Levi with my reverse mortgage lender partner, Rick Rodriguez. And so for today's discussion, we're going to focus in on the reverse mortgage purchase option that many consumers are unaware that exists. So Rick, in our last video that we did together on reverse mortgages, we were very general and had you talk about reverse mortgages, what they were, kind of the definition, whatever. But today I really want to focus in, and will help me assist my clients in the best way. So let's talk a little bit more in depth on the reverse mortgage purchase process. You know, people are familiar with refinances and how a reverse mortgage might work for that, clientele. But let's talk about how a reverse mortgage purchase can help people as they get closer to retirement. Can you kind of tell me a little bit more about that?
Absolutely. So the reverse mortgage purchase product was created back, it's been now over 10 years, although it's still new to many realtors and homeowners out there who are unaware that they can use a reverse mortgage to buy a home. And the reason it was created is to avoid having to do two separate transactions, which would be buying a home and then down the road obtaining a reverse mortgage through a refinance. So now it streamlines the process so that someone can use a reverse mortgage to buy a home. Now, why would that be advantageous? Well, there's a couple different scenarios. One would be is that someone who is looking to purchase, say, a $300,000 property as an example, and they're looking to put all their cash into real estate. Well, with the reverse mortgage, they would be able to retain a large portion, on average 50%, but I do want to state that it's based on one's age, and the older you are, the more you could qualify, or in this case, the less you'd have to put down. But for this example, someone who's purchased a home for $300,000 would have to put down approximately $150,000 as a cash down payment, and their one payment towards the reverse mortgage. The reverse mortgage loan would finance the difference. The advantage of that is that a reverse mortgage does not require any monthly mortgage payments as long as the homeowner is maintaining the home as their primary residence, and of course is continuing to pay the property charges such as taxes, insurance, and HOA. So in that example, someone was able to purchase the home that they were looking to pay for cash without having to put all their cash into the real estate. So that way they have additional cash and resources available for other purposes. In another example, take someone who maybe same number is only able to go up to $300,000, but you're not able to maybe find that home that they really truly like at $300,000. But that's all the cash they have and are willing to put down. Well, with a reverse mortgage, using the same example of a 50% qualification, the reverse mortgage could match their $300,000 one-time down payment, which would allow them to qualify for a home up to $600,000. Now, that doesn't mean they have to go that high, but the point is that that particular buyer can now be able to afford, with the reverse mortgage, a larger home, a home in a community that they desire, and just basically give them more options that you could show them as opposed to just being stuck at $300,000.
Right.
So those are a couple examples of how that could benefit
this is
the buyer.
This is really a great tool. I look forward to working with you continually on these options for my clients as they come into town.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, my pleasure.
Take care.
Pleasure. You too.